In this video, you can pretty much tell that Ice-T absolutely does not like this copper.
Why don't you follow me right to this garage right here? The DMV is right there. You don't gotta be that serious about this. You gonna take me to jail?
I'm gonna tow your vehicle.
No, you're not. You're not finna tow my vehicle. See, I'm going to...
No, you're not gonna tell me what to do. I'm gonna tell you what to do. Oh, don't touch me. Don't give me like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera.
Popular rapper and Law and Order TV star Ice-T was pulled over by the Hudson County, New Jersey Sheriff's Office for a missing front plate. The officer discovers later that Ice-T's license and registration are expired. So in this video, we have a star who possibly wants preferential treatment. We've got an ego-bruised cop who definitely wants Ice-T to know who the boss is. We've got a weak-willed commanding officer who arrives later on the scene, so stay tuned for that. And an unwillingness to exercise that famed officer discretion, which we never see unless it's preferential treatment for one of their fellow Blue Line gang members. And we have the clear illegitimacy of the state to make you register your property with them and get a permission slip from daddy government in order for you to travel down the public roadway with said property. So let's take a look at this video.
How's it going, sir?
What's up, officer?
Officer Snail, Hudson County Sheriff's Office. Let you know you're being recorded, okay?
I'm headed to the DMV. That's where I'm going to get all my registration and everything straight on this car.
You know your registration expired since 2021.
That's where I'm going. I'm headed right there.
When did you decide to go and change?
Yesterday. I went yesterday, but they...
Yeah, but what I'm saying is your registration been expired since 2021.
The car's been parked.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course I'm sure. That's why I'm trying to get this car set up to roll. Yesterday I went to the DMV and they said that their system was down, so that's where I'm headed. I got 7 cars. I'm trying to get them all straight.
You say you went to DMV yesterday? They said the system is down?
Yesterday, yep.
What time was your appointment yesterday?
I didn't have an appointment. They just take me.
You need to have an appointment to go to DMV.
I don't need one.
Why is that?
Because they know me.
Because they know you. Is your passport? Do you have a driver's license with you?
Yeah. I'm getting that. That has... That's expired.
So you have your license expired as well?
That's why I'm going to the DMV.
Sir, even if it's 1 feet, you cannot drive with an expired license and expired registration.
I mean, why don't you follow me right to this garage right here? The DMV is right there. You don't gotta be that serious about this. I mean, you can, but you don't have to.
Well, is it serious? So, give me 1 second.
I could park the car right here and then walk to the DMV.
That's an option if the cop is willing to give you that option, and if he doesn't have an ego that is so fragile that it's easily damaged, and then he retaliates and then things get messy, which is kind of what's about to happen.
That's 5'6", It's 5'6", I'm good. I'm with our road.
Those are all the things.
You said you have other vehicles registered?
I have 7 vehicles.
Okay.
Receipt. Do you want me to try the hood?
It's 5'6". It's the standby. You could have drive the other vehicle who was registered and get this one registered.
Can I handle this? You gonna take me to jail?
I'm not gonna take you to jail.
Okay, can I park the car here and walk to the DMV?
I'm gonna tow your vehicle. It's
No, you're not. You're not finna tow my vehicle. Let me park my car right here.
You're not gonna move your car, sir. You give me your keys right now, and I'm gonna tow your vehicle. You try to be more respectful with me, I'm gonna respect you the same way.
Well, then let me. You see, I'm going to.
No, you're not gonna tell me what to do. I'm gonna tell you what to do. So give me your keys right now. If you don't go that route.
Ego bruise alert. So this cop is exercising his authority because he can, and we all sit here and take it. We take licensing, registration, proof of insurance, and we just roll over year after year, never questioning, wait a second, this is a roadside piracy operation. This is an insurance extortion racket that's going on here. No, ain't gonna do this. If I damage somebody's vehicle, I'm going to take care of it. I don't need forced insurances. I don't need permission from daddy government in the form of a license, because that's what a license is. It's permission slip. And I don't need to register my vehicle with the state to prove any kind of legitimacy. It's my property. And if nobody declares it stolen, then there's not a problem. So what is the deal? Why have we gotten to the point in American life where we just accept this, and then we accept these roadside piracy operations with these cops that have horrible attitudes? It gets better.
You cannot park my car.
I said not. Give me your key, sir.
Look, talking to a man, talking to another man like he's a child, really gets under my skin. Just let him go.
I'm not under arrest, and I'm getting out of my car. Give me my paperwork here.
No, don't touch me. Don't
Give me
like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera. This motherfucker. I'm a foot away from DMV.
Keep your distance.
You are a fucking asshole.
I'm not an asshole. You've been an asshole to me.
I'm an asshole. I'm trying to get to the DMV. I showed you.
The victimizer tells the victim, you've been an a-hole to me. It's you who walked up to my car. You interfered with my day. You're the one who's harassing me. And now you're blaming me for something you started? Give me a freaking break.
Do all the paperwork. Let me start recording your dumb ass.
So 5-6 started.
Should have done that right when you got pulled over, Ice-T. Anytime you have an interaction with any cop, I don't care if he appears to be a friendly cop, always start recording. Never be in a situation where you're not recording the police. Always record. If you have multiple cameras, roll them.
And start another unit.
Send another unit. I need backup. I need help. It's an emergency. My safety is in jeopardy.
You're in the parking lot for Dunkin' Donuts, right?
It's 5-6.
Irish communications to SO83.
All right, so this is where the sergeant walks up.
So what happened, Sarge?
What's up, Sarge?
Hey, what's going on, brother? How are you?
I'm trying to get to DMV to register my cars.
Okay.
I got all the paperwork and everything there. I asked officer, could I just go over here or even park my car so that I could walk over there and get all my paperwork together? He says he wants to tow my car.
All right, give me a second. Let me find out what's going on here, and then we'll figure something out, okay?
Okay.
Right,
I'm doing a little too much, Sarge.
Okay, so what I was going to do is just issue him a ticket, let me park here. Okay. He jumped out of the vehicle. He didn't even ask me. He came so close to me. And he said, he called me an asshole. He called me an asshole, and he said, give me all your paperwork right now.
SO20.
All right. And everything's been recorded. And your vehicle's been towed. And you're receiving tickets.
I'm recording. Your vehicle's being towed, and you're going to get tickets, buddy, because I'm the boss here. You don't tell me what to do.
I think that's SO20.
You for, you right now? For tactical purposes. What's up, Sarge? Oh, shit, I forgot to, Alright, you can issue him a ticket, and that's going to be it, right? He's going to leave the car here? Up to you, whatever you want to do. Yeah, we'll go with that, okay? You want to leave the car here? Okay. Yeah, he's going to park the car here. No problem. Go across the street and get the stuff, the paperwork for the car. Okay, but he's getting 4 tickets, though. Alright, okay.
Here goes the negotiation.
Driving a registered motor vehicle, driving with an expired license.
Okay.
Improper display, he got no front plates and no inspection sticker.
Okay. How many did you make out already?
What's that? 4.
You made 4. You already sent them in?
Not yet.
Yes. Can you bring it down to 2?
Nah, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. No, it's up to you, bro. I can't tell you. Okay. All right. I can't tell him as a sergeant what to do. Okay? I can guide him and I can make a recommendation. He's going to give you 4 tickets. Okay? I asked him not to give you the 4 tickets, but he could bring it down to 2. He said no, he's giving you the 4 tickets.
What are the 4 tickets?
He says you have no front plate, no inspection sticker, no registration, and your driver's license is expired.
Okay.
All right. All right.
This whole 22.
I did, yeah, I did.
Okay. All right.
So I know if you want to come with me or...
Yeah. Okay. So they know that that you're not going to get the tow and that you're going to...
Yeah, I'm 11 right now.
Okay. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know if he told you, but everything's being recorded on these body cameras, so... Okay.
So, as for my sergeant, we're not going to tow your vehicle, but you're receiving summonses. Here's your keys. Here's your paperwork, driver's license, everything you gave me. You're receiving a ticket for no front plates.
Where's all the other paperwork?
It's in there. Everything you gave me. It's in the vehicle. You have no inspection, driving expired registration, and driving with expired license.
You're, like I said, you're going to leave the car here and just go to D&B.
I'm walking D&B and handle business.
So, but you do know your registration is expired and your license too. Right?
That's what I'm going for.
Okay.
As long as you want
I'm
that.
just letting you know that I didn't know if you just knew your registration was expired. You got both.
I got everything.
Okay. All right. Yeah. All right.
All right, no, I'm good.
All right. You told
Just
him
the way he treated me, I was going to park the vehicle, no tickets issued, but just next time show some respect. That's all I got to say.
I don't have to.
All right. Let's
Okay, I don't have either.
All right. Let's
So, you have a great day, sir.
All right.
So what we got here is we got a successful you got a successful roadside piracy operation. The question is, would you have received the same seeming preferential treatment as Ice-T got if you had 0-star status? If a cop already said that he's going to tow your vehicle, generally, in my experience, what I've seen on the internet, they say they're going to tow your vehicle gets towed and there's nothing you can do about it. You can't exercise options. You can't call a secondary driver. You can't park in a parking place. You're going to get it towed. You're going to have to pay an impound fee, and then you're going to get the other tickets on top of it and possibly taken in and thrown into a cage because you didn't have registration, proof of insurance, and driver's license. So leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. Isn't it time where we back away from this registration garbage, stop groveling at the feet of the government and asking for permission to do things that we have a perfect right to do in the first place? That's what they do. That's what they specialize in. Taking away your rights and then making you purchase your rights back. Rights that you have by birth. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. That's highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, accumulate knowledge, walk in wisdom, and stand on your rights. I will see you in the next video.